So baby, it's cold outside, and we need to protect our strawberry plants from the winter. Do you know a strawberry plant can produce 26 strawberries per plant on year 2 and 3 of its life? But the thing is, we gotta get them there first. So I'm gonna show you an easy, cheap way to protect your strawberries and make them great for the summer. Follow along, and this is Accidentally Country. So I have about 24 strawberry plants, not counting the runners that develop this year. That should produce a yield of over 600 strawberries next summer. But given that it's December, I've got to make sure I protect them. So I bought 2 bales of wheat straw, which is great to cover them and make sure that they are warm for the winter. But before you do that, what you want to make sure that you do is let there be a couple of hard frost before you start putting them over the strawberries. The reason why is a couple of hard frosts, getting the temperature down to 34, maybe even freezing, will help the strawberries build resiliency for the winter. Then you can cover them with the wheat straw. What's very important to remember is many people will cover these things with bales of hay, and I strongly discourage using hay. What will happen then, while it may keep them warm, it'll produce several weeds for the next season, and you'll have to pull out. Wheat straw doesn't do that. It's a great barrier to keep them warm for the winter. So I'm going to see if these 2 bales of hay will cover the strawberries for the winter. So it looks like I significantly overestimated the amount of wheat straw that I'll need. So if anybody needs some wheat straw, come see me. I have 1.5 bales left. But the good news is these strawberries are covered for the winter. I will uncover them around March. I live in the south. If you're more north, maybe April. But it should keep them warm and have a great produce for next year. So if you're looking to keep your strawberries warm and to have them for years and years to come, and also have a body that looks like this, then use wheat straw and cover your strawberries. Thanks for following Accidentally Country. We'll see you next time.